The easiest breakfast ever that given a full vibe. Only 10 minutes in microwave and this perfect pumpkin mug cake will be yours. No flour, no eggs, no milk. Let me show you. First thing to do is to prepare pumpkin puree. You can make it in advance and store in the fridge until morning. We are cutting pumpkin on fine pieces. It's rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A and E, and gives the body gentle warmth and glow, perfect for autumn. We are steaming it until tender, so it becomes smooth and soft. Next ingredients: unrefined rolled oats, long cooking fractures. Cornstarch and baking powder are extremely important in this recipe, but any other spices, it's up to you. We used cinnamon, pinch of salt, and grounded ginger. You can use any sweetener. And finally, we are adding pumpkin puree. All the ingredients written is for 1 serving. If you want to make more cakes, you need to multiply them. Blend everything together in a blender until smooth. Oats of long cooking really support for digestion and balancing blood sugar. So it's a healthy recipe indeed. Prepare the cup or a small bowl, lay it with parchment, and put the dough inside. You can decorate it with dried berries, chocolate drops, or any other ingredients you like. This dessert feels like a hug from autumn itself. Place it in a microwave oven for 10 minutes on a maximum temperature. It depends on your microwave. And don't forget to check the dough. The stick should be wet a little bit. Be careful, it's extremely easy to over-dry your cupcake. Now it's ready! Remove the parchment, and here we go. Let us know in the comments, do you prefer apple cakes or pumpkin cakes in this season? Bon appetit! Even more healthy recipes you can find on Idea Buffet. See you next time!